Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, which brings about the first key update, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting. And that update, that rule says that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $2.10 now going to be that, considered an area of resistance. I mean, this rule played out perfectly. You can see right here the price broke down below there, so at that point you'd expect it to act as resistance, and then the very next candle, price tried to bounce above it, got rejected. Later on in the day, tried to bounce back upwards, got rejected. So my point here is that, $2.10, I'm not saying it can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling at that area. And if there is going to be any sort of chance at momentum back to the upside, it's all about that level at 210 and, whether or not the price is ever going to be able to have enough strength to be able to break back above there. So definitely continue to watch that very closely from the resistance side of things. If the price can push up through it, the next key level of resistance at that point would be the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which on my chart currently valued at $2.20. As far as levels of support are concerned, the very near-term level is all about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period simple moving average. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that from the support side of things. If that level cannot quite hold up, then the next level of support after that would be down here around, let's see, what is that? The $1.95 mark. So 200 period and then $1.95. And then things really start to get a little sketchy if $1.95 falls, because the next level of support until then is not until, down around that area right there. Now, I'm not saying the price would go straight down to that area. I'm just saying that, historically speaking, there just aren't any other data points that suggest any potential areas that could, stop the downwards momentum. But we'll see what happens with it moving forward. But overall, yeah, it's definitely drifting downwards, but maybe the price can try to get things turned around next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.